I kid you not, this is the best smartphone that I have ever hands-on. Literally hands-on. It has a special paper-like matte coating on the screen that feels smooth. At the same time, it's soothing to the eye. It can turn into an e-paper, Kindle-like display. While the back is a soft and velvety smooth, that the TPU case that comes in the box become irrelevant. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast with episode 104. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. This is the newly launched TCL 40 NXTPAPER 5G. The highlight of this device is the paper-like 6.6-inch HD Plus with a 90Hz refresh rate display. The matte finish doesn't just reduce fingerprint smudges, it also protects our eyes by filtering harmful blue lights at the hardware level and has reflection-free viewing. The TCL 40 NXTPAPER 5G even received a dual certification hardware solution from TÜV Rheinland. The company even stepped up its game of its unique display by offering NXTPAPER UI. It basically turns the TCL 40 NXTPAPER 5G into an e-paper display that is gentle to the eye. This is perfect for those who love reading ebooks while having a high refresh rate display operation. Worth noting that matte screen diffuse and transmit less light than glossy screen. Hence, you will notice a slightly muted color tone and fuzzy pixels if you go pixel peak. The power button on the right alongside with the volume rocker double as a fingerprint scanner. A single down-firing speaker with a USB-C charging port and a 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom. Performance was decent, stutter-free with everyday task applications, and can handle 3D games in low or medium graphics setting without an issue. After all, it's an HD resolution display only. Powering the device is the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 5G processor paired with 6GB plus 6GB virtual memory, a generous 256GB of internal storage that can be further expanded via micro SD card up to 1TB. Runs on TCL UI 5.0 based on Android 13 and Android 14 ready. Coming to cameras, it features a triple camera setup. Basically, it's just a single 50MP f1.8 aperture primary camera with two just to make it enough triple camera setup, a depth sensor and a macro lens. The dewdrop on the display houses an 8MP fixed focus camera. It can take respectable photos in good lighting conditions and optimal HDR control. Noise is quite noticeable in low light conditions. Here are some photos taken with the TCL 40 NXTPAPER 5G. The TCL 40 NXTPAPER 5G is a budget smartphone that sells you a unique technology display. It's a perfect ebook alternative with smartphone capability. It's available now for Rm1,000 with 1 ringgit change. That's all from me on the TCL 40 NXTPAPER 5G. If you have questions, do drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.